Today I came up with a rather ridiculous solution to a problem everyone has experienced. Ridiculous it may be, but it works damn well. The problem with Phillips head screws, like these in the alternator, is that they're so easy to cam out, unless you're some kind of superhero and can put hundreds of kilograms of force. And there you go. The screw came out without any problem and no damage to its head. And the same thing occurred to the three others as well. And once they've broken loose, they come out with basically no effort whatsoever. Now that method not only worked for the main housing screws, it also worked for the four bearing cover screws in the front cover. They immediately started to cam out as soon as I started to turn them, or tried to turn them anyway. But the same method worked for those as well. The whole point of this exercise was to make my alternator look slightly more attractive. This is the one for the red project. Don't really want a crappy old alternator spoiling the appearance of my freshly rebuilt engine. It's not going to be a show car, but I want it to look acceptable. This process is the baking of the fresh paint. After 1 hour it comes out rather robust. This is proper high temperature paint. And I'm pleased with the appearance of this. This is a lot better than it started out. Of interest is that I think someone has changed the regulator in the past. This car had over 300,000 kilometres. There's no way that a regulator was original. The one from Grey had way less material left. And this is the final product after my efforts today. I'm quite pleased with it. No, it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. My only complaints is the rather poor job I did on that fan blade, but the reality is you can't even see this once it's installed, unless you look down for it anyway. So it's good. I'm happy.